Your money is vanishing. There's a dark secret hidden in plain sight on your bank statement. Something very wrong. You feel it, but you just can't see it. Look now. Deeper. Slower. Legal. Invisible. Inevitable. They take. You work hard. You profit. But there's a hidden code bleeding every single cent from you. A digital parasite, legalized by governments, sucking your wealth right from the edges of the law. And you call it normal. You call it progress. Repeat after me. 30%, 40%, 50%. And nothing is left. And nothing is left. And nothing is left. Have you ever felt like you've lost something without knowing what it was? Like that coin from childhood that fell on the market floor and vanished forever? That feeling never left. It grew. It turned into a bill. It turned into a statement. It turned into total financial impotence. Remember the first time someone told you, that's just taxes? Remember your reaction? Remember the silence that followed? That silence is still here. Now in this exact pixel you're reading. In Norway, in Germany, in the United States, they don't call it theft. They call it a tax rate. They call it compliance. They call it civic duty. But someone isn't fulfilling their duty to you. Someone is always one step ahead.